Hi, want to see how a premium leather tote is made from the ground up? Follow along with us over the next couple of weeks to see how a top-of-the-line tote is made.
Hey guys, okay, I wanted to hop on here really quickly and share this little product that I got. Well, it's not a little product, but this company is a father-daughter duo custom leather shop, and they are based out of Tennessee. They are called Happy Hollow Farm, and they made me a custom tote bag that I picked out everything, and they made it for me in their little shop, and they sent it to me. So let's open it up and see how it looks. I'm so excited. Premium quality leather, and they, like I said, they hand make everything. So I'm trying to be careful to open this box. So I don't want to cut it. So I picked this out, and oh, it's already, the weight of it comes in this cute canvas bag. You sent me some cute little stickers. Let's open it up. I wonder if you guys can guess what color I chose. It's kind of my signature color right now. I don't know, I'm gonna take it out over here. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the smell of leather is so good. I cannot even describe the quality of this bag is unmatched. This green is beautiful. You guys, this is the large tote bag. And this will be my fall bag. This is beyond beautiful. Happy Hollow Farms, I'm gonna tag them. Go follow them. Go check out their products. They make wallets, they make crossbodies, they make all kinds of things. You guys, I'm blown away by the quality of this. This green is, it's like the same color as my bathroom. I love it so much. Thank you, Katie and Chuck, for this, because I can't even tell you how excited I am to use this.